Welcome to IV360. This is the question 8, starting of the section B. So let us start the question. Each athlete on a running team recorded the distance m miles they ran in 30 minutes. The median distance is 4 miles and the interquartile range is 1.1 miles. So the interquartile range is basically interquartile range equals to upper quartile minus lower quartile range. So here the upper quartile, as you can see, is 4.5 and the lower quartile is A, and the interquartile range is given as 1.1 mile. First question is find the value of A. So basically upper quartile UQ is equals to 4.5. From the questions we are getting that. Now lower quartile LQ is equals to A. Interquartile IQ is given 1.1. So from the formula we can write 4.5 minus A equals to 1.1. From here we are getting A equals to 4.5 minus 1.1 equals to 3.4. So A equals to 3.4. This is the answer of 8A. So the value of A is 3.4. So from here you can get the answer of the question number A. The three questions are very easy. After that some complications will be there. Now question number B. For question number B, you can see the line here. The distance in miles m can be converted to the distance in kilometers using the formula k is equals to 8 by 5 m. So if the given distance is given in miles, then you can multiply 8 by 5 and from there you can get the kilometer value. So the from here you can see the median distance is 4 miles. The median distance is 4 miles, and so in kilometer if we want to get the value, so 8 by 5 into 4 kilometer equals to 32 by 5 kilometer. So this is the value of median distance in kilometer. Median distance in kilometer, that is 32 by 5 kilometer. Now the last third question, C number question. Let's start this. The statement is given here. The variance of the distances run by the athlete is 16 by 9 kilometers square. The standard deviation of the distance is b miles. So from statistical rule we know standard deviation it is equals to basically root over of variance. It is basically root over of variance. So standard deviation it is equals to root over of variance is given 16 by 9 kilometers square equals to 4 by 3. SD equals to 4 by 3. Standard deviation 4 by 3. B equals to 4 by 3. But we have to find the answer in find the distance of B in miles. So it is in kilometer. From the previous line we can see K equals to 8 by 5 m. So obviously m equals to 5 by 8 k. So if any distance is given in kilometer, to convert it to mile we just have to multiply 5 by 8. So actually B will be B is equals to 4 by 3 into 5 by 8 miles. So from here we are getting the answer as 5 by 6 miles. So this is the value of B. The value of B in miles is 5 by 6 miles. Now the next question. From here somehow the complications will be there, because all the answers you just need to find out from the graph only. So first, a total of 600 athletes from different teams complete in a 5-kilometer race. The teams, the 600 athletes, the times the 600 athletes took to run the 5-kilometer race are shown in the following cumulative frequency graph. There were 400 athletes who took between 22 and 5 minutes to complete the 5-kilometer race. So here it is 20, 21, 22. So the 22 point is this, and the value corresponding to 22 is this. So this is the value corresponding to 22. So from here we can get that the corresponding value to be 22. And so the ink problem was there, sorry for the inconvenience. So this, the 22nd line, this line, you can see this line, this is the line from this line to, so till this 20 people are there, 20 people are there who are who have completed the race less than 22 minutes. So raced the people, now 400 athletes who took between 22 and 20 minutes. So from here 400 people will be there. So this is 400. So basically this is the point where, this is the point, that is the number is from 20 to 420. This is the range in y-axis. So the answer, if we delete that, so ultimately 400 people are there. So from here we are going to get the line, that is this value. So this value corresponding, the time will be 30 minutes. So till this value the corresponding line is this, and for this the corresponding answer line will be 30 minutes. So for this answer D, the value of m is 30, as you so 22 and 5 minutes. So this is 22. At 22 the value of y is 20. So 0 to 20, these people have completed the race less than 22 minutes. So from 22 and m minute, this from 20 to 420, these people are there. So the 420 is intersecting the graph at this point. So the corresponding x value is 30. In this way, the value of m is 30. Now the last question, it is the question of conditional probability. So let us start the question, that is the first 150 athletes that completed the race won a first prize. The first 150 athletes, it means from 0 to this, these people have got the first prize. Now given that the athlete took between 22 and 5 minutes to complete the 5-kilometer race, calculate the probability that they won a prize. So here the conditional probability will be there. So from the rule of conditional probability, that is P of A given B equals to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So here the P of A will be, they have won the prize. They have won the prize probability, and P of B will be, they have completed within 22 to m minute. Now as you can see from here, the formula we will get, that is P of A intersection B, that is first 150 people and they have completed in 22 and 5 minutes. So from this only first 20 people will be deducted. So only 130 people are there, only 130 people are there who have won the prize, and they are in the region of 22 and m minute there, because the first 20 people have completed in less than 22 minutes. So we have to deduct those people, and after deducting that, those people, we can get 150 minus 20 equals to 130, because these 20 people have completed the race less than 22 minutes. So these people will be deducted. So the ultimate people who have completed the race in are 130 in 22 and 5 minutes. So the and their probability, or now their probability will be complete participants are completely 600 participants are there. So the probability that we select one uh, participant from this will be 130 divided by 600 complete divided by, now P of B, probability of B, that is they have completed the prize within they have completed the race within 22 and 5 minutes. So to complete the race within 22 and m minutes, we have 400 athletes there. So 400 divided by 600, this is the probability, that is P of B, and this is P of A intersection B. Again I am repeating this part only. P of A is the number of athletes who got the prize, that is 150, but they must be in the range of 22 and 5 minutes. So 20 people, first 20 people are in the range of less than 22 minutes. That's why the 22 in the range of 22 and 5 minutes, only 130 people will be there. So that's why 130 divided by the total number of athletes and divided by the number of participants or the number of athletes who have completed the race in between 22 and 5 minutes. So from there we are getting 400 divided by 600. So in this way we can get the answer to be 130 divided by 400 equals to 13 by 40. So the probability of this answer will be 13 by 40. So thank you. Next two questions are coming in next videos, and after that the section B will be completed. Thank you for watching IB360.